Cordex Systems welcomes Nobel Laureate Dr. Louis J. Ignarro to its Scientific Advisory Board. Cordex Systems Incorporated announces that Dr. Louis J. Ignarro, 1998 Nobel Laureate in Physiology or Medicine, has joined its Scientific Advisory Board to advance nitric oxide-based cardiovascular diagnostic technology.
Cordex Systems Incorporated announced that Dr. Louis J. Ignarro, Nobel Laureate in Physiology or Medicine, has joined the company's Scientific Advisory Board. Dr. Ignarro received the 1998 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his landmark discovery that nitric oxide, NO, functions as a critical signaling molecule in the cardiovascular system. Research that fundamentally transformed the understanding of vascular biology and opened a new chapter in cardiovascular medicine. Heart disease is the #1 killer of men and women in the world, killing more people than all cancers combined. In the past 30 years, more than 170,000 studies have been published on endothelial function in both human and animal models. Valentin Fuster, MD, PhD, president of Mount Sinai Fuster Heart Hospital and physician-in-chief of the Mount Sinai Hospital, said at the time, the discovery of nitric oxide and its function is one of the most important in the history of cardiovascular medicine. The New York Times, October 13, 1998. Dr. Ignarro's expertise is directly relevant to the science powering the Cordex Smart Cuff. The device takes a direct, calibrated measurement of endothelial function by quantifying vascular compliance, the effect of nitric oxide on arterial stiffness. Endothelial dysfunction, driven by diminished nitric oxide production or bioavailability, is an independent predictor of major adverse cardiac events, MACE, including heart attack, stroke, and heart failure. By measuring this biological pathway non-invasively at the point of care, Cordex is translating Dr. Ignarro's foundational science into actionable clinical intelligence. Having the scientist who discovered nitric oxide's role in the cardiovascular system advising Cordex is both a profound validation and an extraordinary opportunity. Dr. Ignarro's work is the scientific foundation upon which our technology is built, said Kathy Magliato, MD, founder, Chief Executive Officer, and Chief Medical Officer of Cordex Systems Incorporated. Nitric oxide's role in vascular health is something I've studied for decades, and it's exciting to see that science translated into a practical tool clinicians can use at the point of care. I look forward to supporting Cordex as they bring endothelial function measurement into everyday cardiovascular care, said Dr. Louis J. Ignarro. Dr. Ignarro is Professor Emeritus of Molecular and Medical Pharmacology at the UCLA School of Medicine, a member of the National Academy of Sciences, and a recipient of the American Heart Association Distinguished Scientist Award, among numerous other honors spanning more than 4 decades of research. About Cordex Systems. Cordex Systems Incorporated is a privately held medical device company developing innovative solutions to address heart disease, the #1 killer of men and women in the world. The company has designed, patented, and clinically tested its flagship Smart Cuff in more than 700 patients. The Smart Cuff provides a direct, calibrated, non-invasive measurement of endothelial function at the point of care, grounded in Nobel Prize-winning nitric oxide science. Endothelial function is a critical metric in maintaining optimal cardiovascular health. For more information, visit cordexsystems.com.
Media contact: Simone Giacometti, Cordex Systems Incorporated, Bethesda, United States. www.cordexsystems.com